Hi everyone. Today I want to talk to you about QR codes. So I like to use qr-code-generator.com, and it's a quick Google search, QR codes generator. It's the first one that pops up. And so what I like to use QR codes for is that I can enter any type here. So we can do a URL. I'm going to go ahead and show you that. Here's an article on National Geographic Kids about the three branches of government. So what I would do is I would copy the website and paste it, and then it downloads my QR over here. So if you have the free version, which is what I prefer to use, you just download the image just like that, and it'll download it as a JPEG. All right, but there are other options such as a starter plan, an advanced plan, and a professional plan where you can customize your QR code by adding frames to it. You could add color to it, um, and different things like that. So once you download your QR code, you have it so you can put it on worksheets, you can put it on websites, you can print it out and just pass it out to students if you would like. I like using this for stations. They'll scan it when it's their turn to use that station, and then they'll know what to do there. Another way I like to use QR codes is the text mode, and I like to use it as a check. So let's say they were solving the equation 3x minus 2 equals 7, and then I would say x equals 3. So I would put the QR code somewhere around the room. They'd work the problem, they'd take their phone, scan the QR code, check and see if they got the problem correct. All right. Another way is on homework sometimes. If it's a new topic, I like to upload my YouTube video that I know helps the students. It's over notes, it's another example. So I can upload that URL and it will create my QR code. So if you want to go fancy and get one of the memberships, you can add frames to it that encourages students to scan there. You can change what kind of code or what it looks like. You can add color to it. And you could also add your logo. If you have one, you can upload one for the center there. Those all are included in a membership though. So if you're just doing the free version, that's not an option. Another way I've used QR codes before is I have uploaded a PDF, and I actually used it to do vocabulary. So I had the definition on a PDF. It was a fill in the blank. The students went around, scanned the QR code, it pulled up the definition, and they filled in their blanks. You can sign up to access all of these features, but what I showed you, uploading the article, the YouTube video, and the text as an answer key, those are all included in the free version of QR code generator. So that's what I prefer to use. But as you can see, there's other types of QR codes you can use. And with these QR codes, the students can scan these as many times as they want, and they can view what you have there. All right. So, something that I just thought of, maybe if you're getting ready for your star review, have some students make some definitions and just post the QR code around the school. No, like, announcement about what they're for or anything. Students will start scanning and they'll actually be learning at the same time. So, I am a fan of QR codes. I hope this taught you more stuff. Um, Now, some of these special features you do need the app for. So if I wanted to link to an image, I would need to sign up with the membership. If I would like to link my social media, I could link one, Lady David 216, and it would create my QR code right there. All right. I hope you enjoyed and you like to use QR codes and can use them in your next class. Thank you.